Jambo, and welcome back to my channel. This is Aggie with Aggie's Vine. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Join the family by subscribing. If you are returning and have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I am back again with another video to show you how to make money online. There is tons of information out there, and I promised in my previous videos that I am going to be bringing you this information as I get it. So welcome back, and let's get into it. I just found this website that will pay you up to $100 an hour to read books online. This website will pay you to read books online from Amazon and iTunes books, and they will pay you up to $100 an hour just to read books. Let that sink in, because I had to look at it twice and be like, really? Just reading books? So if you are that person who loves to read, because I know there's a lot of readers out there, and you just find yourself at home with extra time on your hands, why not do this side hustle that can make you up to $100 an hour? It is a great opportunity, and so I thought, why not share it with you guys? That way, if it's something that fits your needs or it's tailored to your needs, you can go ahead and grab this opportunity. Okay, so remember, it is going to be reading books from Amazon and iTunes. So this website is actually called acx.com. acx.com works with giants like Amazon, Audible, and iTunes. So this is a completely legit website, because we all know Amazon is a global giant, Audible is a global giant, so is iTunes. And this website actually works with those three giants for you to read books online. That way you can get paid. And they do this, for the purposes of those people who do not want to go ahead and just flip through a book and read, from page to page. There are people who would rather just put their headphones on and listen to an entire book. So your job is to read those books, and Amazon and iTunes and Audible sells them to people who like to have their books, through listening. And I thought this is a great opportunity, for people who love to read. This is a fantastic opportunity. So acx.com will actually pay you up to $100. Let that sink in. Up to $100 per hour to read these books online. This is all online, so you do not have to go someplace, to a library. We know that is kind of outdated right now. So you get to do all this online. And like I said, it's global, so it does not matter where in the world you are. You could be in America, you could be in Europe, you could be in South America, you could be in Africa, you could be in South Africa, you could be in Nigeria, you could be in North Africa, you could be in Kenya, you could be in Central Africa. It is applicable to everybody on the globe. So why not go ahead and check this website out? It's called acx.com, and like I said, it works with global giants, which is Amazon, iTunes, and Audible, and they will pay you up to $100 an hour per book. Now, some books are 3 hours long, some are 4 hours long to read. So do the math. If you get to read a book that's 3 hours long, that's $300 in your pocket. It doesn't get better than this, guys. So I would definitely be checking this website out, acx.com. And this is for those people who love reading. Like I said, it is reading books online, and they will pay you $100 an hour to read these books online. Now, they will put you through a training, and their training is basically an audition. When you go to acx.com, you will actually be required to voice audition. So you will have, samples to read, and you will submit them. And this is basically their process of interviewing you. Now, don't lose hope or panic and say, what if, my voice is not good enough, or what if I'm not good enough? They will actually train you on their website So once you submit your audition or your Audible audition on their website, they will actually direct you on how they require you to read these books. That way you are, doing it as per their expectations. So they will actually offer that training to you. And I thought this is a great opportunity. So all you have to do is go to acx.com, sign up, and then they will you will see the part where you have to audition. They have like little slots where you click and audition for their books, and you will submit like an audio, and then they will basically email you back, because when you sign up, obviously you will give your information, and they will email you back and let you know if your audition, or rather your clip, is perfect for them, or if you need a little bit of training, and they will guide you on how to train you. Also, the great thing is they got over 2,500 books at any given time for auditions. So don't say, okay, what if it's available globally, then it must be, not enough for everybody. There is enough books on there for everybody to read and be able to make this money. I would definitely go ahead and check it out, because this is something you do not want to miss. Also, you don't have to worry about your voice. They could use a range of voices on there. They could use a range of kid voices if you're the kind of person who has a kiddie voice, or you have a teenage voice, or you sound like an old soul, or you have that deep baritone voice. I mean, there is something for everybody. So do not rule yourself out and say, okay, I don't think my voice. Just don't limit yourself. Go out there, check this website out. It is acx.com, and like I said, they work with the global giants Amazon, Audible, and iTunes, and they will pay you $100 an hour to read these books. You can also record in different accents, and that's why I said it's available to everybody on the globe. So if you have a French accent, if you have Latin accent, if you have an African accent and you want to get on there and read, there is something for everybody. So your accent does absolutely not limit you. There is something for everybody out there. So go check acx.com. I would definitely check it out, and it will surprise you. It will surprise you how easy, first of all, it is to sign up, and it will also surprise you how easy it is to make this money. Okay, like I say, there is tons of information out there, and I will be bringing it to you. So I need you to sign up if you haven't, or rather subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and also share this with your friends. Okay, let's share this good information with our friends, because people actually got hit hard by COVID. I know a lot of people are still recovering financially from the aftermath of COVID. So these opportunities could go a long way for family members, friends, relatives. So feel free to share this information with family, friends, colleagues that you knew from previous jobs, or even at your current jobs. You could make these side hustles and make extra money, and eventually this could become your full-time job. So if you are interested in something like this, I would highly encourage you to go check acx.com. And I will be back with more interesting videos like this. If you would like to see, more side hustles, online jobs, just let me know in the comment section below what kind of online jobs you would be interested in, or if there is something else you would like for me to bring to you that relates to you making money online. Kindly share that in the comment section below, and I will gladly do the research for you and bring it to you as soon as possible. So I hope this information helps you, and until next time, thank you for joining me on this video, and I will see you on the next one. Kwaheri.